everyone. Now let me show you the third step in Microsoft Office 365 team creation. This is the last step. Now what you will do is you download from the Play Store Microsoft Teams. This one, since I have already downloaded this Teams app, so I will just open. To get this particular screen in the browser version, what you can do is this one you will click. Well, just open the browser, and in Google you just write down Microsoft Teams group collaboration. Here come downwards, and the very first link, Microsoft Teams group chat and collaboration software. You click on this link, and through here also you can sign in. So let me sign in from the app which I already have. So sign in. Okay, I have this, my ID which I created, kv1kp@kanstrapada.onmicrosoft.com. Sign in, and my password is already saved here. Okay, so autofill, sign in. Now you are on the start of Microsoft Teams, so you are here. Assignments, files, notes and more, all your classroom basics are here. Group conversations let you share content quickly and make sure every voice is heard. Use channels to organize student work around units and projects. You can create teams for staff activities and student clubs too. Okay, got it. Fine. So you are here. Now how to create teams? You can see at the bottom in the mobile version, Teams. Click on the three ellipses which is there at the top in the Teams. Create new team. Well, here are many templates: class, for discussion, group projects, assignments, for professional learning, community, PLC, staff, other. So what we will do is, since we want to start our class, so click on class, team name, let's write 12 computer science, description, online class. You must give a description, though it's optional, but it's always better to give a description to the class. Online class room for 12 computer science, session 2021. So fine. And now create team by clicking on the tick mark at the top. Yes, so you have created the team. Now to add teacher, to add students, now write down the name of the students which you already created in the previous step. You already created some active users, that is your students IDs in Microsoft in step 2. So write down the name. Since I created one user, so I will write that Agnishwar Okay, I have got this. See, Agnishwar Bhattacharya, which I created there in step 2, I've got here. So very nicely it is connected. Now if there's another student, you can write his or her name here. Otherwise, click tick. So you will add up your students like this. So your 12 computer science is created. Now you can create another team like this for 12 IP or for anything for your class. It can be anything. Now for giving, you can leave the team, you can edit team, you can delete team if you don't want it further. You can manage members, you can see who is the owner. So this is the way, and how to remove the student, manage members. And suppose you want to remove Agnishwar, or you want to mute this user, or you want to make owner of this user, of this team, you can do. So if you want to remove user, you can click on remove user. We don't want to do like that, so let me come back, and then you can explore with the various options given. Assignments, you can give assignments here using Google Forms, and quizzes also you can give. You can share so many things in the classroom, and then in the calendar you can schedule the meeting. Suppose you want to schedule the very first meeting with your students, so go to the calendar, click here, write the title, our first meeting. You want to add participants, add the participants. So here will be many names. If you add many users, active users, since we have added only one, so I have this one. So I have added the participant, and then or you can share to a channel. You can directly select the channel which we created, 12 computer science. Every one of them, they will get, whoever is there in the group. And you can write down the time. You can take the time, and whatever time you want to fix, you can fix that. Suppose you want to fix it at 8:30. Okay, and suppose till 9 o'clock, or maybe till, okay, till till 10 o'clock. Okay. From 8:30 to 10 o'clock, 1.5 hours. Suppose you want to go for the meeting. So now you just need to do is you just tick this, and your meeting will be scheduled with the students, even created successfully. Fine. So friends, explore this. This is quite good, quite nice, quite secure also. Thank you.